Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And today we're going to make taco lasagna, quick and easy. So, I want to show you a couple of things that you need. Pound of grind meat. 1 can of refried beans. A large green pepper. A medium onion. Tomatoes, optional. Taco seasoning. Soft burrito taco shells, about 10 to 8. Cheese, about 2 cups of whatever cheese you like. Mexican blend, regular cheese. Of course, you're going to cook your hamburger meat just like you do right here. You can add your salsa in here, your green peppers in here, your tomatoes in here, your seasonings, and your water, and then you're going to simmer. We're going to get ahead and spray this pan. And then we're going to arrange our shells, just so it doesn't stick. So you want to make sure you got all on the sides of your pan. And then you're going to get ahead and lay your taco shells. Put another one over here. Put it there. And anyway, you want to get ahead and line this. So far I have used 1, 2, 3, 4 shells, because I'm not using much of a big pan. You don't really have to cut them in a special design. You just want to make sure that it is covered. So that's just the idea. And then you're going to layer this. You're just going to keep on layering it, and you're going to build it up. So I'm going to lay these down a little bit more. And my first thing is I'm going to add my refried beans. I'll put a layer of the refried beans. And it's best if these are warmed up because it smooths out better. First layer of my refried beans. And then in here, I have all my taco meat all ready. And I'm going to layer with this. So I'll put my taco meat down. Spread that out. And it's the same thing as tacos, except that this is taco lasagna. We're just going to lay this out like that. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that smoke. Yes. And what's good about this is you can get ahead, instead of using, I used ground chuck because I like chuck. I don't like beef. To me, it's less fat. But you can use turkey or mix it. A little bit of turkey, a little bit of ground beef. Okay, I got that layer down. That's how that looked. And now I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese. You can add corn to this dish. Whatever you like in your tacos, you can add. Now I'm going to do another layer of taco shells. So I'm going to do one more layer. Lay it on top, and you do this one more time. Then I'll show you this finishing dish right here. Okay, after I complete this layer, I put it in 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.